All right, guys, this video I'm gonna do is this talks about how to sign up on superareas.com for 14 days trial or subscription, either or. Step number one, go to superareas.com. Step number two, you're gonna see a little checkbox right here. It says, do you agree with the terms and conditions? Because that explains that we are not financial brokers. We're not financial consultants. You can read through the whole disclaimer and says we are just a software company that writes software to analyze stock market. That is all we do. We don't give you buy and sell signals. We don't do anything. Everything is up to the users. You are responsible for your own profit or loss. So our software is given to you on as-is basis. So remember that. So once you have agreed to that, it's going to greet you with this, superareas.com, a window to put in your username and password. But you don't have an account, so don't start there. Right here, click here to start if you don't have an account. So click here to sign up. That's what you're going to do. Next step. It's going to greet you with a bunch of questions. Your phone number, your name. You already have your email address, your machine ID that you need to get from your NinjaTrader app that I've explained you in the previous video, and your referral code that we were going to give you in your WhatsApp, and create a password that you can easily remember. Next step, once you've filled everything out, hit submit, and you're going to get this. Please wait up to 24 hours to get your trial activated, get your account active. Sometime our team, if you do it through the working hours, we can get to it pretty fast. But if you're not, it'll take some time. Don't panic, don't rush. Your trial does not start until we get you activated. Once you're activated, you're gonna go back to superareas.com. You're gonna agree again. Once you get an email that your account has been activated. Next step, type in your username and password that you created at superareas.com. Once that is done, you're gonna see the following. Superareas.com, your expiry date, your IP address, everything, because we don't want our software to be shared outside of your subscription, and we're very strict about it. If we find out that our areas or anything you're leaking, we're gonna send a flash signal on your indicators, and that's gonna have an ID, so we can easily pick up who's sharing what to where. There's a watermark on every chart that identifies you. So if we find out that you're using our software for a single license, you can use it within the same family, same home. But if we find out that you're sharing with some buddies or online or broadcasting it, we're gonna make sure that your license gets deactivated. And of course, it's months to months, so won't renew it. Here, you're gonna see, click here to access our online videos and PDFs. So once you click here, that's where your starting point is in the 14-day trial. Remember that. It has all the 5 videos and 1 PDF that we want you to go through before we start installing our software on your NinjaTrader. So that is important. Once you're done that, there you go. It says study material and PDF. When you click on that green big icon, it will not work on mobile phones, so make sure you use a PC or a laptop. For videos and trial, you can use a Mac, but in order to do NinjaTrader.com, an actual platform, you need a Windows computer, please. Here is 5 videos, link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as we upload more, we're gonna leave it right there. And this is IP locked, so it only works with your home internet. You can't take that link, send it to somebody because it's IP locked. PDFs are there. So once you're done that, start with video 1, video 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is how it looks like once you start your videos. So there you go, guys. This is how you set up your account on superareas.com. Now, once you're done your videos, you have 14 days to start on our material. Don't wait until day 13 and say, hey, I'm ready, I'm done my videos, can you install the charts? Your 14 days are 14 days. We find that is 2 weeks is plenty of time for you to read the material as well as check out the charts and software and NinjaTrader and everything and get used to it. So that is very important. Don't wait until, again, day 13 and send us and you only have 1 day left. Under no circumstances, period, we are able to extend your trial. You can, however, get as many demos on ninjatrader.com with a different email if you like, and you can keep getting their S&P data as a free data. Now, after 14 days, if you're not satisfied with Ninja, you can demo more on ninjatrader.com. They will allow you free 14 days on a different email. However, superareas.com, our software only works for 14 days. We here have no option to be able to edit your trial date. So if you're done with the trial, you can start with our subscription, which you know the fees that we have explained many times is as low as $10 a day. So $300 a month is your subscription to superareas.com. If you're in Canada, you have to pay tax. If you're in US, you don't. So it is $300 plus HST. Now, in order to start all of that, you have to understand two things. In order to run a futures demo account, it doesn't cost you anything for 14 days. Ninja won't charge you, Super Areas won't charge you. However, after you're done your 14-day trial on Super Areas, your subscription will start. Whether you trade live or not, that just starts. So we recommend you to open a live account as soon as possible, maybe within 14 days after. So that is something you should be aware of, that our subscription of superareas.com starts right after 14 days. However, if you want to keep doing demo, you can get another email address and sign up on ninjatrader.com and do the demo there. Generally, to run a futures account, Ninja is going to charge you $99 US. If you're in Canada, if you're in US, that is fine. If you're in Canada, NinjaTrader charges $99, and then you have some broker fees. You can ask us how to get a broker's account. We're going to help you out. We're going to guide you step by step. That's not a problem. So I think this video pretty much explains how to set up your superareas.com as well as ninjatrader.com in the previous segment. So just watch these two videos over and over again, and I will try to guide you, do these videos in Hindi, Urdu, or Punjabi. I'll try to do that. So this was done in English, so a lot of guys who don't know where to get started, they can follow these two videos. And so after 14 days, again, you have two options. You can continue our subscription for $300 Canadian a month, or if you don't want to continue, which is fine. If you don't like the software, that is fine, no problem. If you like it, you can continue with subscription, and then you can either still do it in demo mode or you can do it in live mode. So hopefully that explains a lot of questions. Thank you.